are live at 5. No,
super live. But y'all,
alive.
we're finally, as we're doing the hustle and bustle of today's work, we wanted to show you guys our little ones.
Yeah.
Our shop babies.
Our shop babies. They are getting complete makeovers today with twist out style.
Yes. Hold on, let me let y'all.
So here we have Josiah. She's getting her hair washed, which she enjoys. I'm glad she's behaving herself for this video. But I'm just gonna basically just rinse her hair through nice and dry, get it moist. Apply a nice amount of Dr. Bronner's shampoo, which I love this shampoo. It retains the moisture and keeps the oils in the hair. Moist Plus shampoo, which is another conditioning shampoo. And the last is the Design Essential Almond Butter Conditioner. Once you apply that to your child's hair, you just want to make sure you get it distributed through nice and evenly. And you can use any type of wide tooth comb just to comb through. Start from the ends up to the roots. And once you get that comb through nice and evenly, you basically just rinse the hair nice and clean. And then you have a fresh, clean head ready for a cute updo style for a nice twist out.
There's Katie Boo. So now we are starting her process of cleansing her hair. We're going to start Katie Boo off with detangling her hair. She has a really tight curl pattern, and so before I shampoo her hair, I always detangle it with conditioner first. And we're basically going to be doing the same exact thing that you saw Josiah get. We're starting off with the Dr. Bronner's, and of course we're going to rinse it. Then I did the Moist Plus. Love the shampoos that we use. And I'm massaging in the same conditioner I used prior. Always want to keep that moisture in her hair, with her hair being curly. Detangling and making sure that it's moisturized with a great conditioner is key with our little ones. So Katie Boo is up first. For her styling, we do not play around with this Forever Unique Herbal Growth Spray, y'all. You've seen us use it on ourselves, our clients, and we use it on our little ones. We also utilize the Forever Unique hair and body oil. Love this stuff. It's best to put it in their hair while it's wet so that it locks the moisture in from the shampoo. Now we're using the Nairobi mousse. Love this mousse because it is lightweight. It does not leave the hair hard or crunchy, and it keeps the hair moisturized and soft and closest to its natural curl pattern. So not only do I use this on my little one, but I also use it on myself. I use it on my clients, and I absolutely love it. It's a great product. So you see me, I am taking a rat tail comb to complete her parts. And you guys, the thing with little ones is that they are going to move around. They're going to be busy. You might not be able to always get your parts as straight as you might want them, but it's okay. It's okay. Do the best that you can. So yeah, guys, Katie Boo is getting her straight backs of her 2-in-1 twist out style. Can't wait for you guys to see the end. All right, Whit, you're up.
So I like to start off every style with the Forever Unique Herbal Growth Spray, which is good for the scalp, as well as the hair and body oil, which is also good for the scalp and protecting the hair, and it's also a great detangler as well. So you put a nice amount on your hands and work it through the hair. And I'm going to use a regular rat tail comb and do a ear to ear part in the back for her bantu knots. And this is a nice, quick, simple style. Believe me, Josiah does not sit long for anything. This is one of the quickest, easiest styles, and I think will be a go-to style. We normally braid our hair, but it's good to take a nice, good break. So once you get that part in the back, I love Nairobi satin lotion, and that's what I'll be using for this style as well. And she will also be having triangle parts, but you can do triangle parts, diamond parts, any type of parts that's playful and fun for this kid twist out style, 2-in-1 style. So as you continue to work the product through, you make a nice angle part. Make sure you comb through because you want it to be as smooth as possible before you actually start twisting the hair to create those bantu knots. Get it as smooth as you can. And just a nice finger twirl and wrap around. Very quick and simple. There will be no rubber bands or hairpins holding her bantu knots together. So once you wrap it around all the way to the end, just a little quick tuck underneath will help to secure the knots. You'll do these all over the head. Nice fun parts all over the head. And once again, I think Josiah maybe had about 10 to 12 of these. So it was definitely not a long sit time. Kids, they have a short attention span. So you want something that's going to be quick, easy, fun, that you know she will love and enjoy. And after it's done, you ship her right underneath the dryer. So this is the final look with the foam satin lotion on it to give it that nice lush stay. And next we have Desiree. Now her hair was already retightened. As you see, I started with the Herbal Growth Spray because I just love the refresh feel it feels on the scalp. And also it's a nice astringent, so it cleans the scalp as well. Once again, Nairobi Setting Foam Lotion is applied. And she's going to be doing cornrows. So this will be a cornrow twist out style with her sister locks. Couple straight back cornrows, no more than 8 to 12. And typically I love to let them sit in for about 3 to 5 days, sometimes a week. The longer they sit in, the deeper the crinkle is. But we are cutting this time because we need this style for this video. So this was just a one-day thing underneath the dryer when she got all her cornrows in. And they will be taken out. So you'll see her braided twist out style coming up soon. Woo! Do we look beat out or do we look beat out? So,
Exhausted.
Kidz tutorial
Tired.
was amazing.
Exhausted.
Oh my gosh. But we made it. So the kids are underneath the dryer. We're about to bring y'all guys the final presentation of our little darling's hair. The twist out kids. Take how many takes? I don't know, but we took them takes. But we got the footage for you guys. We got the footage for you guys.
Yes, y'all. We wanted to make sure that we brought you guys some realistic hairstyles for your little ones. We know they might not sit still all the time for you to get your parts perfect. You know, they might be ready to go, ready to go play, ready to go do this, and that. But it is doable, and you are able to do some cute, you know, styles for your natural little curly girls or curly boys at home. Stay tuned.
After all that work, it is time for them to eat their lunch, and y'all, they love the beauty brew.
Yes, kids love the brew. Make it do what it do. That beauty brew.
Y'all, it's delicious. You guys can look at our other videos and, you know, find out more information about it.
And this is the final look.
Yes, this is look number 1.
Yes.
Because these are 2-in-1 looks, you guys. So this is before we actually take them out. As you can see, they are adorable with playtime. They look so cute with added accessories, you guys. You can't go wrong with any of these styles.
Yes, they are like the ultimate go-to hairstyles.
Cutie pies. Look at them.
Look at them.
And it's twist out time, you guys. You can actually leave these styles in, as Whitney said, anywhere between 3 days to even a full week, you guys. And so as I'm taking this out, I put a little bit of oil in my hands, fluff it up a little bit. I still kept in a few of her accessories to add something cute on the side. And you guys, there she is growing up. She looks so cute. And here's Desi Boo. We're taking out her braid out. Same process. Place a little bit of oil in your hands and you literally just take the braids out. It's super easy and super fun and super wavy, baby. There's Desi Boo looking so cute with a few added accessories, and she is ready to rock and roll. And as you can see, Wit had a client going on, you know what I'm saying, in the back. So I was taking the baby's hair out. And so after her bantu knots were taken out, we fluffed them up and we did hers as a cute little mohawk. Oh my God, this was so much fun to see her hair pinned up and coming forward, you guys. All of these styles, 2-in-1 styles. It takes literally a handful of your time and you have 2 weeks worth of styles.
Woo, y'all.
Hey guys,
Done.
we are finally done.
These are our curly kids, you guys.
Yes, these are our little bitties. This is Kidz.
This is Josiah and Desiree.
Yes, and these are our little ones, you guys. So
Mom.
Yes, and mommy.
And mommy. Y'all got anything y'all want to say?
No.
Did y'all have fun today?
Yes.
Did y'all have fun?
Address your crown.